bolt is same location on the passenger side over there. These are the two bolts that you will remove to install the lower strut tower brace. Although if you look, the strut actually mounts way over there. That's the strut. So I'm not really sure why they call it lower strut tower brace, because obviously the strut tower does not mount to that. It's really, I guess, a lower control arm brace. Braces this gap underneath the engine here between the driver's side and the passenger side. Tools required for this installation: the 19mm or 3/4 inch socket. That's for breaking loose the bolts in the A-arm, a 14mm 9/16 socket, and an 8mm hex head there on the right hand side. A 1/2 inch breaker arm, 1/2 inch ratchet, 2 3/8 ratchets. So I'm gonna get this on and show you guys what it looks like. The installation time was about, I'd say 10 or 15 minutes, give or take, not too complicated. There's the finished product there. You can see the lower strut brace installed, and you can see the little logo down there underneath if I can get down there far enough. Yeah. Alright, well that's it for this one, guys.